Golden eagles need vast, untouched landscapes where nature is still relatively intact. Today, golden eagles mainly live in the mountainous regions of the Alps and the Carpathians. There are many different prey animals for the golden eagle between forests and mountain meadows. Although there are fresh twigs in the eyrie, the nest is not yet in use. A capercaillie also makes an attractive prey for the eagle. While the smaller female is well camouflaged and rarely leaves the protection of the forest, the conspicuous male capercaillie makes for easy prey, at least during the mating season. The hen rarely shows herself openly on the mountain meadow, and the male capercaillie had also better retreat back into the protection of the mountain forest. A warm wind is blowing through the forest. Nature is waking from hibernation. It's thawing. There are more and more mountain forests where you can find large feathers of this size, eagle feathers once again. Breeding golden eagle couples are back in the heart of Europe. The eagle population also depends on the prevalence of their preferred animals of prey. Loose feathers are drifting across the ground. A capercaillie has become the victim of his testosterone levels. During the mating season, large amounts of testosterone flow through a capercaillie's body and makes it careless. Golden eagles keep returning to their kill and feed on it until nothing is left. This way, every last bit of the prey is used. Eagles hardly make a dent in the capercaillie population. Wherever its habitat is intact, the capercaillie produces enough offspring to make up for these losses. Once a species of prey becomes rare, the predators will change over to other, more common species. It's a clever and highly functional policy of nature. The eagle cruises above his territory, but this time he is not on the lookout for prey. The breeding season is upon them, and the eagles need to prepare. They have been making regular courtship flights in their territory since the winter, in order to strengthen their partnership. Free as a bird. The phrase has never seemed so apt.